Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Today we are looking at Whipples triad. So what is Whipples triad? It is related with the symptoms of the insulinoma. So insulinoma is what it is related with. And let's look at the symptoms. So here in symptoms, it has the hypoglycemia after the fasting or exercise. So there's presence of the hypoglycemia. So it has hypoglycemia and it is after fasting or exercise. So it is after fasting or the exercise. Next is the plasma glucose level. We look at the plasma glucose levels. So here in plasma glucose level, it is less than 2.8. It will be less than 2.8 and this is millimole per liter, or it is 50 mg per dl. Next, let's look at the relief of symptoms. So here in relief of symptoms, it is after the intravenous administration of the glucose. It is after the intravenous administration of glucose. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.